Hey guys, Sandeep here. It's the learning time with the engineer. Sorry, I am little down with cold today. I still wanted to make this video. In this video, I will cover how to create a landing page for your website. In my last video, we learned how to create a website and also how to host that website in a domain. Today, we will create a simple landing page for our website. Okay, let me close this. Let's start this session. Okay, cool. To create the landing page, we will use some front-end technology. The most important one is the bootstrap. This is the most trusted and the most used JavaScript framework for front-end technology. Okay, so this one we'll use. In this session, we will take a free template and we will modify that and build our landing page. Okay, so before even going and building the landing page, we should have a mental design of the page, right? Yeah, this is a simple example that I am going to build. So let me show you here. Yeah, usually every web page has a header and a footer and a body, right? And header has some links, footer also can have some links, and the body is the main area that you have to work on, right? So that's what we'll do here. Okay, yeah, bootstrap gives you a lot of free example templates, like you can see this here. Yeah, these are quite handy to get started, but there is another website which is this one, startbootstrap.com, where you can go. Then you can go to themes and browse all the themes. You'll see tons of beautiful themes. Those are available for you, and there are free as well as pro themes. I usually take free templates and modify them and build my website. This is my website, and I have used one of the free template from this stat bootstrap and I have built this. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has a header, it has a body, and body can have this body can have few sections, and finally at last there will be a small footer, right? Very similar landing page we are going to build right now. I'll show you how we can do it with very little modification to an existing template. Okay, so let's go back to this bootstrap theme. Let me show you a few of my favorite templates that I use personally. So this is grayscale one I have used, and SB admin 2 also I have used, and new age I have used. Yeah, there are quite a few. Yeah, they are really nice and really easy to modify them and use it in your project. So the one that we are going to use is grayscale. Okay, and there is another page that I like is One Page Wonder. Okay, which is here somewhere here. One Page Wonder. Yeah, One Page Wonder. I want to show you one thing. Okay, let's click this grayscale, and if you see this, there is a GitHub link also. Go to this GitHub link, and you can copy this, and then you can git clone and then do this. Okay, so because I have already copied it, so this says already exists, but that's okay. Yeah. So let's see this cd stat bootstrap. So yeah, you can see this folder is copied here. Yeah, so this is good. Now yeah, so you can see this folder, the files and the folders are copied here, and if you go to dist, then you can see this index.html. Let's click this index.html and see exactly the same page that we saw here. So this is okay, this is closed. For editing the website, working a little bit on the JavaScript side, I'll be using this editor brackets, but you can use anything which you are comfortable with, but I like this, so that I've just downloaded this. Yeah, this is a brand new laptop, so I did not install this software. Okay, yeah, now install this. Now let's open our project. File, open folder, trap. Yeah, this is good. We are in the folder. Now let's open it. So now dist, inside dist, the index.html is there. Let's look at this page little bit. We'll change this brand name Start Bootstrap to our website. We'll work little bit on the body. We'll keep the footer for now. We'll remove this other section. Okay, so we'll keep only the first page for now. It was the requirement, right? That was the design that we had. So we'll keep only one page. So the top page that we'll keep, and all other page we'll remove it for now. But if this is what you want, you can take this idea, and you can apply that for other pages also according to your requirement. Okay, so from here, built with bootstrap 4, I'll be removing until the footer. Okay, close this. Now I'll search for that word. Yeah, I got this section, about section. Yep, so I'll be removing about section, projects section, then projects, then sign up. Yep, and yeah, sign up section. Let's delete this first. Okay, okay, let's see the preview right now. How does it look? Good. Okay, yeah, so we have deleted most of the sections. We have few: address, email, and phone. I don't want address, email, and phone. Yeah, bootstrap has a nice way of dividing the screen into column and rows. You can divide each row in 12 column. Let's go ahead and delete them: address, email, and phone. Yeah. So I want to delete this address, so I'll go to this contact. Okay, so yeah, there are few rows that you can see. I'll delete this row. Is actually divided into 3 columns, each with 4 sides, so I'll delete that. Yeah, I'll delete that, right? So div 1 row, yeah, so I can delete the entire row because I don't want that. Yeah, so I wanted to keep the social link, so that is intact inside the container. I hope this is good. Let's see it again. Yeah, grayscale. Yep, now looks good. Yeah, now looks good. So now let me close this, and now we'll work on this page little bit to accommodate our design changes. Okay, yeah, so you can see that get started and grayscale, everything is here. We don't want all these things, right? Let's divide this horizontal space into 2 column. Okay, if you see this whiteboard design, left side we have a YouTube frame, right side we have a button, and there are some social links, right? So that's all we have to do. From this page we don't want all these things, so let's get rid of all of them. So I'll go here and I will change, yeah, I'll remove this get started part. This is okay, this is okay. I'll keep the div. Now I want to create 2 column, right? So let's do that. Good. Yeah. Now let's, yep, this is the, okay, good. Now we'll close the column and close the row, and we want to create 2 columns, the column and close the row, and we want to create 2 columns. Let's start with the left column. Take 7 column space, so I'll say yeah, so let it be 7, and this will be 5, right? 12 column space, so 7 plus 5 is 12. So left side 7 space and right side 5 space. Let's write something here so that we'll know while testing we'll get to know how much the page is really taking, right? So yeah, let's see this. This is left pane and this is right pane. This is right pane. Good. Now we'll start this page again and we'll see that. Okay, cool. See, you can see this left pane and right pane. Good. Yeah, let's move this right pane to take 4 space instead of 5 space. So let's do that. So I'll change this to 4 and this to 8. Okay, nice. I wanted to have this social link in the right pane, so let's put this and see how does it look. Okay, yeah. Now let's see this, how does it look. Okay, good enough for now. Now in the left pane, what we'll do, in the left pane we will have the YouTube frame, right? So let's search that, add YouTube frame to website. Yeah, let's see this. Let's add this piece of code there and we'll see this. Okay, so in this left pane we want to change that with the YouTube video link, right? So I'll put this here. Okay, good. Now let's see how does this look. So this is nice, good. In the right side pane, I also wanted to add the channel link as a button, right? So let's do that. So bootstrap button. Okay, yep. We'll see this. Okay, cool. Let's use the link as a button. So, and we want to change it to success. Okay, so we'll change that little later. First, let's put it here. So in the right pane, we wanted to add this button. So let's change the name of the button to the channel name, which is Engineer Sandeep. Okay, good. Now let's modify the channel link, also the video link. So let me go to my channel YouTube and Engineer Sandeep. This is my channel. So I'll copy this link, go back to this page. Where is my, yep, and this href I will modify it with my channel link. Then I'll take one video from here, which is this one, the last ID I'll copy. Okay, I'll close this and then I'll modify the last ID after the embed. Okay, I'm done. Now let's see how does it look. Good. So yeah, good. We can clearly see the YouTube video frame and also Engineer Sandeep, yeah, my name. Yes, the social buttons are a little bit small, so let's increase the size. Let's say F8 Twitter, yeah, this is it. Okay, okay, this is a little older version, so let's do this. FA 5x, 4x, 3x. So which size? Maybe we'll go with 3x. Let's do this, right? Let's do this and see what is happening. Okay, so I'll say FA 3x and this one also FA 3x and this one also FA 3x. Let's see how does it look. Cool, nice. See, this is good. So it got changed to little big size. This is little, I don't think this is good enough. This is not of a good size, right? So let's change it to little bit smaller size. Change it to 2x rather than 3x. Let's change it to 2x. 2x. Yeah, this is good, I think. Yeah, 2x size is good. Yeah, of course, this is looking good to me. Okay, so now we can add some little space from the button and these social buttons, and we will put all together in the center of this pane. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah, anything which is inside the row is actually a flex box, so you can use align self center class to align any div element inside the row. Okay, so that's what I did, and now the website looks like this. See, Engineer Sandeep is now center aligned. Okay, good. Now let's add some space between the button and the social links. Maybe we can just add a div element, NVSP. Okay, let's see this now. Oh yeah, so this is good now. Now let's go and change the brand name. At least brand name should be okay, where is this? Grayscale, start bootstrap theme. Okay, we'll change this title to Engineer Sandeep for now. Okay, Sandeep's channel for learning new things. Okay, yeah, this is okay. And we will also change the brand name, which is start bootstrap. We'll change this to Engineer Sandeep. Okay, yeah, because we have added this social button here, I want to remove the social buttons from the footer. Okay, let's remove that from the footer. This is just, there is a section, actually we can just completely get rid of this contact section from here. let's see how does it look right now. Yeah, it's gone. Good. Okay. Yeah, now I'll change the copyright to Sandeep. Where is copyright? Copyright at your website. So I'll say engineer Sandeep. Okay, it is hidden, but I am just writing it. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. I have done it. Now let's see this. Okay, copyright engineer Sandeep is done. Now go up, see this is engineer Sandeep. This is good. I want to change the button color to red because YouTube is red theme, so let's change that. Okay, button primary, I think button danger maybe red. Let's see. Yeah, see button danger is red. Tile.css contains all the CSS elements. This is the mobile view, guys. This is how you can test it. So in the mobile view I can see that yeah, all looks good actually, but the video is little outside the container, so we can decrease a little bit of width. So iframe width is 500, so we'll make it 480. Let's see how does it look right now. Yeah, this is better, right? 480 is good. Yeah, footer is black. I want to change it to red. HTML red is this one. I'll just change that there. BG, I'll add one more here, in fact. Okay, add one more here. Okay, yep, yeah, see, red, nice. So yeah, this is red. Okay, but the copyright is not visible clearly. Let's make it white, proper white. Let's have a white. FF. Yeah, let's see this now. This is good. Now we want to change this height of the footer, so let's see what the CSS says. 2 rem. Yeah, this is okay, I think. Yep, this is okay. So I'll keep this size 2 for now. This is good. We achieved what we wanted to do today. Now the next step is to push this change to our website, right? What I usually do is I create a branch in the GitHub. It might be a public branch or whatever. Okay, I push my changes to my GitHub repository, and I pull that to the DigitalOcean instance that we created right last week. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and watch it again, okay, so that you will have an idea. Okay, let's change this social links also. This should be we wanted to have a Facebook page, which is good. Okay, yeah, we wanted to have a GitHub. This is also fine. We wanted to have a LinkedIn. Okay, so FA LinkedIn. Okay, I'll go to my LinkedIn page, copy my LinkedIn link. This is what I'll do, and likewise you can change the Facebook and GitHub link. This is it for today's, guys. I hope these steps will help you building your own landing page. Feel free to comment and get in touch if you face any problem while following this tutorial. I hope this will help you in building your own landing page. Thank you. See you next time. Let me read this poem that my father wrote, which is really cool. I have the honor to the painter's brush, the sculpture chisel, the poet's mighty pen, a really role model. Reverence.